Hello and welcome! I'm making these scrap clay earrings today. Grab your supplies and let's do it! I'm using this pink and black scrap clay, this pink and white scrap clay, and this maroon colored scrap clay. And then some translucent clay. Take a little bit of translucent clay and then one of your colors and mix them together. I would do a 2-to-1 ratio, 1 part translucent, 2 part color. Don't overmix the translucent with the color clay. You just want to incorporate it slightly so that the two colors are still distinct. The reason why I add translucent is to soften the colors of the clay. It gives them a blurred type of effect. You'll want to do this with each of your scrap clay colors. After you mix them, roll them into a log shape. Cut off about 4 equal length sections. Take the remainder clay and roll it out so that it is slightly thinner. Again, cut off about 4 equal length sections. Take the remainder of the clay and again roll it out so that it is slightly thinner. And then chop it up into equal length sections. Now start putting them together. Take different lengths and different colors and place them together in a circular shape. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Begin pressing in the sides very gently and pressing down on the top very lightly. I'm trying not to distort the clay too much, although I do want it to be thinner. Be sure to flip it over and do the other side too, so that it does not become distorted. Once you have it to the thickness you would like, cut out 2 circular shapes. Pick the side that you would like to be the front of your piece and place this face down in a mold. Press firmly into place. Use a tissue blade and cut off the excess clay. Pop your pieces out of the mold. I'm using this smaller circle cutter to cut out 2 shapes of equal length and size. and then roll each of those up into a ball. There is no rhyme or reason to this, it's just however they come out. Just be sure to get them as round as possible. Pre-poke your eye hook holes at the top of each of your mold shapes, and then add in your eye hook. And then bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. Put a little super glue on one side of the round ball. And then place this on a metal finding. This one I have here kind of looks like a flower. And then assemble your earrings. Add a jump ring to your eye hook, and then attach this to the bottom of the metal finding. Open up the eye hook at the bottom of the earring hook. And add this to the top of the metal finding. And here's another way to use your scrap clay. I hope you had fun and enjoyed this video. Change up your scrap clay colors and you can come up with a totally different piece. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!